So I've had a couple of questions on how to remove the headlight switch on the Everest, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it quickly. What you need to do is you need to get the air vent off first. Okay. So once you've got that off, you don't have to take any plugs off. That's all you need to do, just to get to this piece here. And once you've got this piece off, unplug your headlight switch. And there's your headlight switch. Now your headlight switch has 4 tabs. There's one there, and one there, and one there, and one there. And you've got to just press them in. If you press them in, you can release the entire switch from the trim, and there you go. That's how you take it out. Now, as I told you in my video before, this is the one that I replaced in order to get headlight leveling, and this one has the little button that you can push in and out over there, and it's really just plug and play, because the wiring for the headlight adjustment, it's already here. So plug in your new headlight switch, and I'll put a link in the description below, because this headlight switch I actually got from AliExpress, I think it was, or Alibaba, one of the two, and it was actually quite cheap compared to what the OEM's charging for it, and it works a treat. So you can hear the car is registered that it's on, so it's working. And there you go, that's how you do it.